It's a beautiful lens for today. And thank you, Lord. Now I can eat the seafoods. Thank you, Madam. And thank you, Sir. Thank you, Celine, for giving me to share this one. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this one. I don't really know if I can eat with this one because of my teeth, but I try to find it that I can eat this one. At least now I can eat it alone. Years pass by. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the family He gave me to share, that I can take for my lands. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the lands. Thank you very much. And yung salad. And then yun yata yung rice. Rice nito. Ewan ko anong klaseng rice yan. Hindi yata yung rice. Ewan ko. Try natin buksan. Okay. Saglit muna. Huwag kang bumalik at ano. Okay. Ano, it's not rice, I think. Parang ewan ko. Parang hindi siya rice. Ano siya, yung parang ano ba yun? Yung burgol, kung sa atin pa yun, parang burgol. Yung sa Pilipinas pa yun. Yeah. So, just and me, I eat rice. Yay! I eat rice. Thank you. Hindi pa naman ako marunong. Thank you. I eat rice. I eat my rice. Okay? Let me cut my rice. It's my rice. You can eat all my rice. Oh, lagot siya if we eat all my rice. I'm eating all my rice. Done this one. Fish. Oh. To the Baghdad, some Baghdad. What's that? People in this city, Baghdad or Iraq. Oh, you can find this one. You can search, for seafood. So, fish basket. Oh, you see? For seafood. So, ayan o. Ayan yung telephone number nila. Oh, ayan o. Oh, try ninyo. Try. Baghdad people, Iraq people, if you can visit ang mga tourist, people in this world. You can try to visit, okay? Yes na. Anong oras na? Okay. Ela. It's bye-bye. 5 o'clock na yata. Okay. Ela, bye. And thank you again.